Leverage the power of AI to build websites. Over the past few months, generative AI has taken center stage in almost everything we do, gaining popularity fast. As a web creator, you can benefit from a wide array of use cases available with generative AI. From the content you display to the layout and design of your websites. Whether you're building your first website and need assistance in writing its content, or you're building your 20th website for a client, and want to elevate its design and accelerate your workflow by using AI to create or enhance custom code, incorporating AI will revolutionize the way web creators build websites. Elementor, as the leading website builder for WordPress, is the first to add a native AI integration. At this stage, Elementor AI will empower you to generate and improve text and custom code, HTML, custom code, and custom CSS, and create captivating and unique images. We are already developing the next phases which will continue to bring the AI revolution into website builders. With Elementor AI Starter and Elementor AI Power, you can generate original text, enhance or translate existing text, or create custom CSS, code, and HTML snippets that enhance your website without having to write any code. You can also generate captivating images, customize images using generative fill, edit them, adjust their aspect ratio, or use a reference image to create variations. To empower you to achieve better results with Elementor AI, Elementor has added a prompt enhancer, which will automatically elevate your prompts to generate better results. Additionally, to inspire your AI image creation, Elementor AI includes an image gallery full of images to use on your website, or copy the prompts that created them to modify and create your own original images. Why use Elementor AI compared to an external AI tool? Since Elementor AI is specifically tailored for Elementor, it provides a number of benefits that surpass using external generative AI tools, including convenience. Elementor AI is natively integrated within Elementor, meaning you don't have to go back and forth between the editor and the AI tool you use, which also accelerates your workflow. Relevant suggestions. Anytime you open Elementor AI, you are provided with a number of relevant suggestions based on the asset you would like to use AI on. For example, if you choose a heading widget and want to use Elementor AI to help write your heading, a number of relevant suggestions are added to the modal. This empowers you to fine-tune your request and brings you closer to your desired outcome. Context. Elementor AI is built specifically for Elementor. When writing a request, the results provided already include context in regards to the element you're working on. For example, if you want to add custom CSS to a certain element, Elementor AI is engineered to provide results that include the specific selector.